In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a spatial scene on iPhone. So this is somewhat of a new option for iPhone, so just make sure that your iOS is updated to at least iOS 26. So a spatial scene kind of gives you a 3D look to a photo, and it really works well with pictures of pets and people, something that has a foreground and a background in that photo. So let's go to our photos. And I'm just going to go ahead and pick this picture here. And when you're looking at a picture, you're going to have a little spatial scene icon at the top right hand corner. It's a little grayed out, but as soon as you click it, it'll turn blue and then it'll change it to a spatial scene. So if you turn your phone back and forth, you'll be able to see that kind of effect in that photo. I'll do it again for another photo here. Let's just go back here, and I just took this picture here, and let's go ahead and hit that icon one more time at the top right hand corner, and it'll turn on that spatial scene. So that's pretty much really it. It's really simple, really easy to do, but that's how you would go about turning on a spatial scene with your photos on iPhone.